Year 2. Today we are going to talk about a strategy, which is a way of helping you to find spellings in alphabetical word banks so that you can find words quickly to spell in your writing. So a word bank, before we get started on the alphabet, a word bank, you will find them around the classroom. They might be on a wall, they might be on a word mat on your table. They might be words that are connected with your topic or the particular story that you're reading or writing. They might be common exception words that are often spelt wrong or that you're learning in Year 2. They might be, it might even be a dictionary. A dictionary is a word bank. A dictionary is a really big word bank. And they are often arranged in alphabetical order. And the reason we arrange things in alphabetical order is to make them easier to find and easier to use. So the alphabet, remember, just in case you're a little bit unsure what I'm talking about here, the alphabet, when you started learning your sounds in reception, you learned the letter sounds, the sound that the different letters made before you started learning the blends. Once you were confident with the sounds the letters made, you learned the names of the letters and you learned them with the alphabet song, the names that the letters make. And the order of that song is alphabetical order. It starts at A and goes to Z. You will find lots of things are arranged in alphabetical order to make them easier to find. So, for example, your class list will be in alphabetical order, usually your surnames. It might be your first names. And you will find dictionaries are in alphabetical order and thesaurus. Lots of things are in alphabetical order to make them easier to find. So we're going to first of all recap our alphabet. Make sure we are really confident with it because we need it today. So the alphabet song is a way of remembering the alphabet. I'm going to sing it first. You can join in straight away if you want to. Then you're all going to sing it because we really need to know this alphabet before we can do today's activity. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Right, now I want you to sing along. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, so the alphabet is really helpful. The thing we need to do with our alphabet today is we need to think about where in the alphabet our letters are. As in, are they near the beginning? Are they near the end? Are they in the middle? So, for example, if I said to you, where is the letter D? Is it near the beginning or near the end of the alphabet? I'm hoping you would say letter D is near the beginning. It's on that top row. Those ones on the top row, near the beginning. The bottom row, near the end. And then we could maybe divide it into quarters, or we've got 5 rows here. So we can say, right, it's in the first row, it's in the second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. So where is S? It's not right at the end of the alphabet, but it's in the second half of the alphabet, isn't it? It's on row 4. Where is H? H is, and you can run through it in your head, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It's not in the middle. It's not at the end. It's towards the beginning. Second row. Where is W? W is right near the end. V, W, X, Y, Z. Right near the end of the alphabet. Now that is something that you need to be really quick and confident at, is knowing whereabouts in the alphabet your letters are. Part of that is that when you're looking for words, you will be able to find them nice and quickly. So in our word banks, if it's arranged in alphabetical order, we can use our alphabet knowledge, our quick alphabet knowledge, to find words quickly. So here we have a word bank for materials. All of these words are to do with materials. which you may have studied in your science topic. So absorbent, bumpy, bendy, brick, cardboard, dull, firm, flexible. They're in can you see they're in alphabetical order? They start at A, B, C, D, there isn't an E, F, G, H, there isn't an I, J, K, L, M, there's no N, O, P, there's no Q, R, S, 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 lots of S's, T, and then there's just W at the end there. So if we wanted to find a word in our word list, in our word bank, we would look at that first letter of the alphabet and that first letter of the word and think, where is it in the alphabet? So let's say we have the word wood. I go, right, W. It's in the end of the alphabet, so it's going to be at the end of the word list somewhere. If I wanted to look up the word paper, I would think P, right near the middle of the alphabet. So my P words are going to be in the middle of my list. I might say dull. Dull, a D. D is near the beginning of the alphabet, so it's going to be at the beginning of my list. So knowing where my letters are in the alphabet and listening out for those first sounds in the word, dull, dull. Maybe I'm looking for smooth, so I hear that smooth, so I'm looking for S. S is kind of towards the end of the alphabet, but not at the end. That helps me know where in the list to look so that I don't have to go, say I'm looking for smooth, I don't want to go absorb, D, brick, but I don't want to have to work out all of those words. I'm looking for smooth, so I'm looking for the S words, and I know the S words are going to be towards the end of the alphabet, the end of my list. Once I've found my word, and I'm going to write it in my work, I need to remember the word. The list might be on the wall and I have to look up. I don't want to have to look up every single letter and look back down again. I need to look at the word and remember those spellings. So let's say I'm looking at the word smooth, which is here. I'm going to look at it and sound it out as I read it. Smooth. Smooth. And I can see that actually all the phonemes and graphemes are quite good. They're straightforward correspondences. There aren't any tricky bits in this spelling. Smooth. Okay, not any tricky bits. So I just put that in my head, smooth, and then I can go back to my page and write that spelling down. Some of the words might be a bit trickier. So for example, looking at the word absorbent. Absorbent. It's quite a tricky word. You have to think about the syllables in it and think about those funny graphemes there with a B and the S next to each other, some odd blends. So you might need to really think about that one. Absor, but it's with an S making a Z sound. So there's an odd phoneme grapheme correspondence. Absorbent. So I would need to really focus on getting that S, knowing that Z sound is an S. Absorbent. That might help me to remember as I go and write it down. We chunk that word up. Your task today is that I'm going to read some words for you. They are all in the word bank. So you need to use your alphabet knowledge to quickly find the word in the word list and write it down. Are you ready? The first word is materials. Materials. So find that as quick as you can. Think about where it is in the alphabet. You can pause me if you need to here, and if you are doing it on Seesaw, then I'll be reading it. I've got a voice recording on there as well. Stretchy. Stretchy. That's got a couple of tricky bits in it. Find that at the beginning. Cardboard. Cardboard. The first thing you have to work out is which kind of cut is at the beginning of cardboard and whereabouts in the alphabet that is. Water. Water. And opaque. Opaque. Excellent. Well done, everybody.